Hello everyone, I am Deborah. On tonight's menu are turkey burgers, which I am going to season, and then I am going to be frying them in my Kasori air fryer. And on top of these turkey burgers, you guys, I am going to put some cheese, some onions, some pickles, some tomatoes, and instead of the lettuce going on top, which is typically the way you see it served, this lettuce is going to serve as my bread because again, I am keeping it low carb and keto friendly. So let's go ahead and get started with the seasoning. So obviously you guys, you season according to your taste. This is how my husband and I like our turkey burgers seasoned. So I'm gonna start with some salt. Some 21 Salute, which is something that we get from Trader Joe's. Now, ground turkey can be a little blah as far as the flavor is concerned, so that's why we like to go all in when it comes to the seasoning. We've got some Longhorn Steakhouse grill seasoning. Some garlic powder. A little bit of paprika. And then lastly, we've got some magic poultry seasoning. All right, you guys, so with that, I'm gonna put on some food safe gloves and I am going to get into mixing all of this delicious flavor into this meat. Now, of course, if you wanted to add an egg to this to help bind this together, you could do exactly that, but I am going to go with this meat just as is. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and form these into patties. Let's see about how big do I want these. Okay, let me just form it like this first, just so I can make sure we have about approximately the same size for each one. And then I will pat them down into my patties, or of course, you can use a scale to measure them that way as well. And I'll put on the screen a scale that I use here in my kitchen, which I got from Amazon. Okay, you guys, so as you can see here, this is the meat and they look pretty close to the same size. So this point, all I need to do is pat them down, and then I need to go ahead and preheat my Kasori. And then once it's been preheated, then I will set it to the temperature that is required for my air fryer. And then you guys, we are going to fry these up. All right, you guys, so this is my Kasori air fryer that has preheated. Go ahead and drop that patty in. That looks good. Just want to make sure there's enough room for the air to circulate around these patties, so they'll cook evenly. All right, guys, here we have it. All right, everyone, so while those are cooking, let's go ahead and get into slicing some tomato and also slicing some onion. And now for the onion. And by the way, you guys, this cutting board I use exclusively for my veggies, and I've got a separate cutting board, which you saw earlier, that I use for my poultry. Do not want to cross-contaminate. Now, with these onions, you can saute them, which is what my husband prefers. So that's what I'm going to do with his. But you guys, this is one of these days that I had at the office. So I'm eating these things raw. So I'm going to bring his over to a preheated skillet. And again, mine are going to be raw. Okay. All right, everyone. This is what it looks like after 15 minutes. All right, let's flip them over. And we're going to give them about another 10 minutes to cook to our liking. All right. All right, you guys. That looks amazing. Okay, so I am going to have some cheese on mine. Put that in for a few seconds just for that to melt. And then we are going to put this burger together. All right, you guys, so I lost the footage, but I'm back. So these are the completed turkey burgers. I have mine over here that has the cheese on it, and I started putting it together when I realized that we were not recording. So just to get you caught up to what I've done so far, I've taken the lettuce leaves and I put some of my special sauce up here. You guys, I absolutely love this special sauce. It's the same sauce that I use for my Big Mac salad, and I will leave the ingredients on the screen. But this is one of these things I will find a recipe to make just so I can use some of this sauce. I absolutely love it. So I put that on each of the lettuce leaves. I put my turkey burger up here that has the cheese on it, and then I followed up with the raw onions, and then my tomato, and then the pickles. And I am going to cover it up. And you guys, we have a delicious homemade turkey burger that smells incredible. Look at that, you guys. All right, everyone, it's time to taste this. I am not going to leave the taste of this to your imagination. We are going to taste this together. This looks and smells amazing, you guys. Oh, all right. Look at that. Lord, I thank you. This is beyond amazing. You guys, I was sitting in traffic on the way home thinking about these burgers, and when I tell you, it does not disappoint. Absolutely delicious. These burgers are juicy, packed with flavor. Oh my gosh, and with all the toppings that I put up here, and again, you do not miss the bread. Unbelievably delicious, you guys. One more bite. Give it a try, you guys. And when you do, let everybody know just how amazing this actually is. Because that it is. Oh, so good. And what I decided to do is, because I absolutely love barbecue chips. That is my guilty pleasure. If I'm going to cheat, it's going to be with barbecue chips. Nothing else but barbecue chips. What I did is went out to Thrive Market, which is the online market where you can actually shop by diet type, whether it be paleo or keto or vegan. And I got these wisps, and these are hot and spicy, right up my alley, you guys. So this is what I'm going to have with this delicious turkey burger. You guys, again, give it a try. Leave a comment so that everyone knows just how phenomenally delicious this is. Give this video a thumbs up. Please do share, and please do subscribe to my channel. That lets YouTube know just how much you appreciate this content and how much you like it. So that way they will spread it around. I appreciate the support, you guys. Remember, you're being safe, healthy, and encouraged. And it is a great day, especially when you put delicious meals such as this together. So you continue to make it your own kind of special. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, you guys. And I will see you all real soon on my next Fit Fab 50. Thank you guys, and enjoy.